How to log into your Best Buy credit card account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Best Buy credit card account online. So it's a pretty simple process. So you just have to search in for Best Buy credit card login from any of your browser and just tap on the first link which appears over here to simply log in or sign in. Just tap on that, and once you are inside here, you just have to wait for a few seconds for the page to load, and you just have to enter your registered user ID as well as your password and simply continue with the sign on button over here to successfully sign in or log into your Best Buy credit card account online. And if you haven't already registered, you can always tap on this get started button right below over here to successfully create a new account on your Best Buy credit card, or you can always tap on this reset password if you ever have a trouble on your sign in process. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.